Did you know that you can make big passive income with affiliate marketing even if you have no prior online experience? Now, anyone can make passive income thanks to a simple affiliate marketing opportunity with a proven turnkey marketing system, high demand products, and a one of a kind compensation plan. And it only takes minutes a day whenever it's convenient for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full time for over 23 years now. Affiliate marketing is my favorite business model. Passive income is my driving force. Now, you may have heard it called recurring or residual income also. They are all the same thing. Passive income is the money that keeps coming in month after month for business you do each day without putting in any additional effort. And here is why passive income is important, why I love passive income. Passive income leverages your time. It gets you out of the rat race of trading your time for money like you would do in a traditional job or most side hustles. It's how you create both time freedom and money freedom too. You want passive income. In fact, I'll go as far as to say you need passive income. Here's what I recommend for building passive income. It's what I've been using for more than 4 years now. It's a unique affiliate marketing opportunity. If you are new to affiliate marketing, it's where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. But here's what makes this one unique. Unlike so many other affiliate marketing opportunities that are out there, with this one, you can make big daily commissions and long-term passive income too. We market 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. We get paid an almost unheard of 80% commissions on each one. 80%. That means that you can make as much as $800 on a single sale. And better yet, you get paid long-term recurring or passive income on 3 of those products. Imagine getting those 80% commissions month after month for each sale that you make each day. You'll love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. This business is all done online. With our turnkey marketing system, even online beginners can have massive success in affiliate marketing. No setup is required. There is no big learning curve. Following our Fast Start training, many new people make money their very first day. And talk about leveraging your time. I will show you how you can do this in as little as 30 minutes a day. You will receive the very best training and support. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos. We hold daily live Zoom calls led by industry leaders, and those are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. And we have an exclusive social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. On top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll never wonder about what to do next. So, to learn more about making passive income affiliate marketing and to start making money today, go to my website at attainmygoals.com/passive.